Hey friends, welcome to Wisemonkeys. In this video series, I am going to explain you in brief some insights and overview of digital marketing. My name is Carlshen Wadia. I am the proprietor of a digital marketing firm called iDigitize in Mumbai. We provide digital marketing services and consultancy and training on special request. The main intention of recording this video series is for you to get a clear mindset before jumping onto digital marketing. You may advertise your brand online yourself, or you might hire an external agency to do so. But in either of the cases, it is your brand and it is your right to know what exactly digital marketing is about. So stick around with me in this video tutorial as we embark on a journey to embrace digital marketing. So now we understand what exactly is digital marketing. In today's time, the internet is a gateway to tremendous marketing opportunities to portray one's business. Digital marketing is nothing but utilization of different platforms across the internet to put your brand in front of thousands or millions of people. It encompasses all the marketing efforts that makes use of an electronic device like a computer, laptop or a mobile phone, and of course the internet. Businesses are free to leverage various digital mediums such as search engines, social media, emails, websites, online directories, etc. to connect to their potential clients or customers. Let me just run you down through a short history of digital marketing. You do not need to emphasize on this much, but it is required to know the inception of digital marketing. It all started way back in 1971, where a gentleman called Ray Tomlinson sent out a very first email. In 1990, a search engine called Archie was created. In 1991, that is on 6th of August 1991, the very first website was launched. In 1998, Google was launched by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. And in 2000s, 361 million internet users in this world, and customers started searching for queries and their needs online. With the development of social media in early 2000s, consumers became highly dependent on digital electronics in their daily lives. In 2010, the digital media spent 48% growth with 4.5 trillion online ads served annually. So the bottom line is, digital marketing is a well-targeted, conversion-oriented, measurable way of marketing your products or services to the potential customers. It makes you be found rather than you finding people for your products and services you offer. There is absolutely no doubt that the world is changing from traditional marketing to digital marketing. People are spending more time on their mobile devices, laptops, tablets than ever. So the businesses that have not yet recognized this trend of digital marketing, you need to adopt one really quick. There is indeed a need for digital marketing for the following reasons. Flexibility. There are many forms of digital marketing opportunities to begin with, such as banner ads, content marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, influencer marketing, and many more. Hence, with a basic knowledge of how to market yourself digitally opens a wide range of possibilities for publicity. With digital marketing, you also have the flexibility of testing and stopping poorly performing campaigns in real time whenever required. Expansion. There is no limit to expand the reach of your business. Digital marketing allows you to promote your business without any geographical barrier. Right from local to national and international level, the scope is endless. Many people do almost majority of their shopping online. Digital marketing lets you appeal to these people globally, thus expanding the reach of your company, gaining brand recognition and boosting your sales. The internet will continue to expand. The research shows that the average time spent by an individual is more than 6 hours a day on the internet and is growing, and it's going to increase every year. The internet is an extraordinary platform to spread information.
and it overshadows any other media, and its reach is ever expanding. The internet is more persuasive and much more effective, and it gives the visitor total control over the experience. And visitors can access a product, review its specifications, and also other opinions. The bottom line here is internet is like nothing else. If someone wants to search for information on products or services, unleash your creativity. There are no fixed rules for digital marketing as such. You do not need to be a school college topper to pursue digital marketing. With a little study and a whole lot of common sense and creativity, you can turn your most ambitious projects into reality. You will develop concepts and ideas like never before. You can bend a few rules and be as innovative and creative as you can to impact your audience and strengthen your brand identity. Digital marketing is all about imagination, creativity, writing content which does not require special technical knowledge. Online marketing agencies are hunting people, those who can think out of the box and are a little mad with creativity. So this job profile is too boring, said no digital marketing professional ever. Mobile access. Recent study shows that 77% of adults own a smartphone and they use it for news, social networking and countless other activities. Digital marketing lets you reach out to them with techniques like remarketing ads, emails, text marketing, social media, etc. With these, you can be in front of your audience through various mobile apps. Tracking. Apart from communicating and interacting with your audience, digital marketing lets you track their activities as well. You can monitor which ads and types of content people have seen shortly before making a purchase. This gives you an opportunity to refine and improvise your strategy which are not effective. Influencer recognition. Many industry leaders promote themselves online through their websites, blogs, or social media channels. Through digital marketing, you can engage with these influencers and gain their attention. You can get them to endorse you provided your content is genuine and ethical, which also leads their influencers and followers to become your followers or subscribers. And they can even be your customers and spread your brand name around.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. And in order for you not to miss any further videos, kindly subscribe to Wisemonkeys.